How to log in with Discord token 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So before you try to log in with Discord token, you must know that you can only log in via Discord token in the Discord web app, not via any application or the app. So first of all, you need to come to the discord.com/login page, and then you must firstly save your token code somewhere and copy it, and then you can just click on the three dot from here and click on the more tools options and click on developer options. You can also press the button Ctrl Shift and I and go to the developer option, and after opening it you have to open the application folder from here, and you have to choose local storage, and under that you can see the https discord.com. You just have to select that and scroll down to the lowest point, and then just double click here and write token here, and on beside this field you have to just paste the token, Discord token you have just saved somewhere, and just paste it. And after pasting it, you have to just reload the page, and boom, you are ready to use the Discord account using the Discord token you have just logged in. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.